My name is Kiplimo.
Yes, yes.
I work with the county government of Nandi.
Yes.
And I was one of the first parents when the Eldohub started.
That's nice.
So my sons were here doing the coding lessons, and it's been a long journey. So most of them are now, I mean, they're equally, I mean, well prepared even for the job market. And, I owe it to Eldohub.
Thank you.
And I came today to visit to see the progress.
Yes.
Because probably they might come back because they have just completed, they're finishing up their high school, and they might want to come back and just do something. So they were young. So, but the boot camps we used to have in holidays.
Yes.
And they were in lower primary school.
Okay. Yes. So as a parent, what did you say as a parent? Has the program really helped you in a way that would you have a test apart from just the technical part of it, even on the academics in school? Has it been a help to them?
Yeah. So for me, I would say that them having had the opportunity to even get that exposure,
yes.
It gave them a heads up, especially in learning and even learning on their own. So the most crucial part for me is the opportunity to create that mindset where a kid can now, on their own, learn things outside what they are taught in classroom.
Exactly.
So, and I think for me, that is the biggest thing they have ever gotten from here, is having that desire to learn more, to explore on their own, and to even discover.
Thank you.
Which is a very good thing.
Yeah.
So self-learning, self-taught.
Yeah.
It all started from what was in the bootcamp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as a parent, would you advise other parents to walk the same journey you've come? Because this is the benefit to you, and maybe another parent will want to know, as a parent, is it, of course, whatever you have said, it has really brought an impact. Yeah. So would you encourage, because you have different boot camp, like in August. For now, we are preparing for the summer boot camp, which will run from July 21st to around 8th of August.
So what I personally believe is that boot camps are very key, especially if there's any parent who has really a kid at whichever stage. Even at the kindergarten, I am very sure coding is going to be the key language. So what I normally tell my kids is that there are key languages that will be key drivers of any business or job markets.
Yes.
And I think one of them is programming languages. So if you don't have the machine language, any of the machine languages, be it the JavaScript, Python, and the rest, if you can't speak that language, then your chances of survival, even in the market, whichever career you are pursuing, whether you are in medicine, engineering, sociology, whichever, you must have that language. Because now the tech space is taking over in every other sector, every career. And I think it is very imperative for any parent to start preparing their kids early enough, and to distract the kids from getting interested in just watching videos and social media. Instead, I normally challenge my kids that, can you be the one creating that game that others are getting addicted to?
Exactly.
Right? Instead of you being the one addicted to somebody's game, can you have somebody getting addicted to your game so that you are the one making the money?
Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Yes.
Even for visiting Eldohub.
Thank you so much.
And please, when you go outside there, we are so much attached to you in terms of Eldohub.
Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's my pleasure. I'll be coming back here anytime.
Please do come. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Send our regards to Nandi County.
Asante sana. Thank you.
Yes.
Asante.
Okay.